Okay, so what we will do, we will go ahead and we will discuss one more thing, that is recursive BOM. You must have heard this, BOM type or BOM functionality in SAP whenever you are working in any kind of implementation. So what is basically the recursive BOM? Normally this kind of bill of material I saw in my personal experience in the chemical industries or this thing. Okay, so first we will discuss about what is recursive BOM. Recursive BOM is nothing but the main header material will be acting as a BOM component. So this line will definitely define very detail. Give you a very detail about what is the recursive BOM. So what I will do, I will try to create one diagram here again the same way so that it will be more clear for you. Let's say we are having a finished material, okay? And to manufacture this finished material, we required raw material, okay? Let's say raw material 1, then raw material 2, raw material 3, okay? Raw material 2, raw material 3. These are the different raw materials that we required. Also, we need the finished material, same finished material to manufacture it. If you see it here, I will just add this, okay? To manufacture FG1, we need RM1, we need RM2, we need RM3, and also we need FG1. So these two materials are same here. So my header material is actually acting as a component in the bill of material. So in that case, we call it as a recursive BOM. So normally when I'm running MRP, to manufacture this, I need this. To manufacture this, again, I need this. Okay, so this kind of bill of material is called as a recursive BOM. In that case, when we are creating the bill of material in the system, we need to activate that indicator calling recursive allowed. Okay, for that specific line item, we need to activate this indicator. Otherwise, when we are running the material requirement planning, MRP run, system will go in the loop. Okay, first it will see, okay, what is the requirement for FG? Let's say requirement for FG is 100. Okay, 100, and to manufacture 100 we need this again, let's say 100. So again system will go on, system say, okay, to manufacture this again, it will try to explore the same BOM back, correct? It will go in the round and round sequence. So in that case, what we need to do, wherever we found that kind of recursive is happening in any bill of material, we need to activate this indicator recursive allow for this component. Okay, now many times we get always confused, like if this finished material is acting as a component, that means recursive BOM. This is not the case. Sometimes we do have a bill of material in that fashion. Okay, I'm just removing this. To manufacture this FG, let's say I need one SFG1. Okay, so this will be the same. Now this is not a recursive, correct? To manufacture AFG, I need raw material, raw material, raw material, and one SFG. Now again, to manufacture SFG1, let's say we need, we need SFG2, okay? I'll just put it like this, SFG2, then some raw material, RM5, then some raw material, let's say RM6, okay? Now again, I will add this thing to manufacture this SFG. SFG is semi-finished, which is in-house manufactured, and this is the bill of material structure now. And now you can consider for SFG2, again, we need some raw materials, correct? Raw material 1, raw material 2, raw material 3. Okay, I'll just put it here. Let's say your raw material 8, or same raw material 1 here I'll put, okay, RM1. And here I'm saying, okay, to manufacture this SFG2, I need SFG1, FG1. Okay, now this case also call it as a recursive BOM, because somehow in the whole bill of material levels or whole bill of material chain, we came to know my finished material, top level finished material is acting as a component back. Or it can be the thing like instead of FG1, I will just put this thing. Okay, this can also be the recursive case. I need SFG1. So here to manufacture FG1, we need these components. To manufacture SFG1, we need these components. To manufacture SFG2, again, we need SFG1. So this is the recursive happening here. So it's not mandatory. Only our top level material will be acting as a component. Then only system will create it as a recursive. No, any level, top level material will be acting as a component at the down level will be called as a recursive in the system. And for that, in SAP, when we are creating the bill of material, we need to put this indicator. Okay. So this is nothing but recursive BOM. I'll quickly show you in the system where that indicator is coming, or you can also, I mean, go ahead. This is not that much this thing. Okay, I'm just trying to open one bill of material. Okay, and in that one bill of material, let's say this is the FG1. Okay, I'll try to change the BOM here. Okay, I will try to change the BOM here. Now FG1, to manufacture FG1, we need one SFG, we need one raw material, and again I'm putting one more component as back FG. Okay, F underscore 001 of one quantity, let's say. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Anil.
Yeah, Pankaj, I'm
Yeah.
sorry for interrupting
No
you.
problem. No problem. Yeah.
Can you give us a couple of live examples? Because,
Yeah.
for example, if we have some gaskets, and
Correct.
gaskets are required at all levels, that means every other bomb will become
No.
a recursive bomb.
First thing, the gaskets, what you are talking about, is it the procured material or in-house manufactured material?
No, it may be anything, right? Even it's
Anything.
a
That's right.
procured material.
Correct.
But
Correct.
so my point is, what are the specific live examples can you
I'll
provide?
just, yes, I'll try
Yeah,
to
please,
explain you.
because
Now
that is very.
here, let's say this is your gasket.
Mm-hmm,
RM2 is your gasket. To
mm-hmm,
manufacture your finished material, you need RM2, correct?
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And one semi-finished material. To again manufacture this semi-finished material, you again need a gasket. This is not your recursive BOM because this is the raw material and component of this BOM. Recursive means I am manufacturing this FG1, then I am manufacturing this SFG1. Okay, I need something here. I need one SFG2 here. Down the line, when I am manufacturing this SFG2, I'm again utilizing the same top level material here. See here.
Okay, this applies to only SFG and FG.
SFG and FG when you are manufacturing, yes. So if you are taking a live example, okay, I'll just try to again give you one more example here. Okay, majorly in chemical industry, what happened? Chemical A plus chemical B plus chemical C. Okay, sorry, chemical C equal to chemical D plus chemical E. That kind of reactions are happening. Okay, but if you say to speed up the reaction, okay, we use some catalyst. Catalyst is nothing but kind of
Yeah.
component or kind of chemical that will be added in this so that the reaction will get fast. So let's say I'm saying, okay, to manufacture this speed up, I'm using X as a catalyst. But after completion of the process, I'm getting D, E, and again X back. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, if you're saying, okay, this is a very typical example where I used to your A, B, C, D, and I'm manufacturing X. Here we are manufacturing X actually. See here, we are manufacturing X. To manufacture X, we are using X. And this X is actually my finished product somewhere. Somewhere I'm manufacturing this X as a semi-finish. So for the X, my bill of material is like this. To manufacture X, okay, when it will become as a, now if I'm putting it, to manufacture X, I need A plus B. So if you see here, first I'm manufacturing S with A and B, I'm getting X out. Then I'm using that X here, and again I'm getting the same X back.